Hello, dears, and welcome back to Benidorm Costa Blanca in Spain. We are in Rincon de Loix, and it's officially the last weekend of calendar summer. This is it. This is officially it. After this weekend, things will be quite different. People, families with children will get back to their homes. There's going to be way less families, way less crowded areas here in Benidorm town, and this is when actually the golden summer will start for all of us, locals and other tourists as well, because it will be just a nice and beautiful place to come, and many things will change. The weather is quite strange. It's cloudy, so we'll see if it's gonna be raining or not. So far, a few drops came down here in Albir, but nothing major. We'll see how it goes during this weekend. So far, there's still quite a lot of people on the streets. Oh, that's new. This is new, Las Carabelas, holiday vacational rental. That's interesting. That's a new sign that wasn't here before. More and more holiday rentals are promoting themselves, especially because hotels start to be quite expensive. So holiday rentals is another alternative that right now is a tiny bit cheaper than hotel is. There are still a lot of people here. McDonald's is busy. Obviously, this is a street food. It's cheap fast food place. So especially families with children, those who want something fast and on a budget to eat are coming down here. All the typical bars in Rincon de Loix are also open, and their terraces are quite busy. There are no queues in this area. However, in the city center and the old town, we can still see some queues at the most popular bars and food or snack places. Rika's Beach Bar, as usual, has the lovely terrace with beautiful views towards the beginning of the Levante beach and the whole entire Benidorm. The Buddha, we call it, cocktails place. Very nice place as well. Cocktails, just a tiny bit of snacks, stag and pheasant. Oh, that's interesting. So probably they cater for stag parties, for like bridal showers, etc. Hotspot in Benidorm, live sports and lounge bar is here. Ooh, that was fast. The bicycle is here as well. Everything is open. And what you need to know if you're coming in the following weeks, which already will be September, officially it's calendar autumn, although our summer season as it is does not end up until first days of November. The calendar summer is already almost over. Even so, look at this. Even when it's cloudy, there are so many people here on the Levante beach. Look at the water. A lot of people on the beach itself. Difficult to find a spot on the first line, even on the second one or the third one. Quite a lot of people came down here to enjoy some nice time on the sand and in the water. The water temperature is still very nice. It's of around 28.4 degrees. So still a lot of time for you to be able to swim and have some nice time in Benidorm. The water temperature will be perfect still the whole entire month of September. And then obviously gradually it will be going down. As for the water temperature in the swimming pools outside, the month of September is still all right, but obviously it's not going to be as hot as it is when the sun is shining, when there are 40 degrees outside. Locals usually do have a last swim around the month of September, mid-September. And then we start to use the inside heated pools. However, if you're coming from a cold country, this is still ideal thing for you guys. I've seen tourists swimming in the sea in September, October, even November or December, especially if they're coming from Scandinavian countries, like very northern countries. What about the entertainment? What is happening with all the boat excursion trips, jet skis, banana, fly fish, different types of trips to Calpe, to Tabarca Island, to Alicante, etc. Or parasailing, for example. That's been extremely popular this year, by the way. We've seen people flying about and around every single time we are in Benidorm. All these pool parties, snorkel boats, rental boats, etc., all this will be available still during the month of September. Maybe it's not going to be as busy as it previously was, but it will still be available. So you are able to book it during your holidays in Benidorm town. All the cafeterias, look at how Roman is busy. Oh my goodness. Remember, we've checked with you guys the food at this cafeteria. It's just cafeteria slash restaurant. They even have some evening entertainment, especially in summer. And we've checked the most popular meals in this cafeteria. Now they are fully refurbished, renewed, but the food types and the meal portions, prices more or less stayed the same. So if you want to check out that video, I'm going to leave it linked for you here down below in the comment below this video. Look at this. Last weekend of summer in Spain, of a calendar summer. Extremely busy still. A lot of people still, a lot of younger people that are not started university just yet, a lot of families with children still, mostly Spanish though, because we start school later in a year. We start school around 11th, from 7th till 11th of September. So still many families that you will see here are mostly Spanish. All the sunbeds are being put in place. I don't know why, because up until the last area right here, no one is taking them. There's too many sunbeds this year. Obviously in peak season, half of them probably are booked, but not more than that. It's not necessary to have so many of them, because they just keep pushing away people who don't have any need on paying the money for the sunbed, who just wants to come with their umbrella, maybe with their simply just a towel, you know, and enjoy their time at the beach. But there is no good spots for it any longer, because everything, the best places are overtaken by the paid sunbeds. Let's hope that next year Benidorm's Municipal Hall will take that into consideration, and as much as they want the money from the beach areas, as much as they desperately want to take as much money as they want, this affects negatively the tourism as well, because people are searching elsewhere and other beach areas where to go, when here best places are crowded with the paid sunbeds, which is simply not really fair. A lot of people are doing sports. This is actually ideal moment if you don't want to have an extreme heat temperatures like 40 something degrees and a big humidity, but you want to explore, you want to still be able to swim, go for walks, explore the area with some tours and excursions. For example, our private tours, we were not doing them in summer, just a couple of them exclusively, but for all the rest we are starting our tours back again from September month, which is ideal weather for exploring and traveling with us, especially because we offer a private drop-off and pickup for your tour, so you don't need to worry about getting to the place and coming back to your hotel. What will be happening soon? Well, apart from people screaming to us, those who are at different terraces of Benidorm bars here on the Levante beach, these 2 weeks will still be very busy, because, well, maybe week and a half, because it's still when a lot of national tourists are here in place. However, starting from 10th of September, more or less, everything will be way more quiet. Not in a sense that it's going to be dead, there's not going to be any people. No. However, there's not going to be any more queues. It's not going to be overcrowded in the old town, the city center, the beach area. It's going to be just more comfortable. It's going to be nicer. It's going to be a different calm quality tourism without a huge amount of people stepping on your feet when they try to get to their destination. So bear that in mind. And I'm not sure if you're a fan of coming at this particular moment of the year. Let us know, please. Would you prefer coming in summer knowing that it's really, really hot? Or on contrary, you would like to come September, October, maybe even November or December months in order to enjoy fully the area without it being too overcrowded. Some supermarkets are here as well. The supermarket Veracruz is a typical Spanish supermarket located right here. There's some more Chinese bazaars, places, even some tattoo places. Is this new? I don't think so, but kind of seems new. Tattoo place. This is massage place. Different types of massages. Then you have typical shops, souvenirs, something for tourists to buy during your holidays here if you're lacking some kind of cheap clothing, something just to wear a couple of times. And that's basically it. All the businesses will still be open. Don't be afraid that once the calendar summer is over, you will be left with nothing in Benidorm. Everything is still open. All the bars like Gabby's, for example, all these bars will still be open. All the businesses, all the nightclubs, all the night pubs, there's still going to be a lot of night shows and entertainment for you to enjoy. So you will be able to get a full entertainment and a lot of different memories from your holidays in Benidorm town. There's not gonna be any kind of specific events as it is during the month of September. This is when we all get de-stressed and relaxed a little bit after some tough summer months. And by the way, this is also when hotels will start lowering their prices. The most expensive time of the year, which was August, end of July and August, have passed already. And now it's time for slightly cheaper accommodation options and slightly cheaper prices in different Benidorm hotels, hotels, apartments, and hostels. So bear that in mind. If you still did not book anything, check out the prices because there might be a few offers out there for you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. By the way, this is the bus number 10 that is heading towards Albir and Altea. This is how the buses are looking like, white and blue. And we'll see each other in a new video tomorrow. Bye.